Let's do an embodied resilience practice. This will be easy, and that's the whole point. Get into a position that feels comfortable, that feels easeful. If it's accessible to you, maybe wiggle around until you feel settled. Maybe your path to ease involves getting up from where you are. Maybe you need to walk or pace, or maybe you need to just sit or lay down. Remember, the most important thing here is ease. You are embodying ease. That is the core of the practice and is what you can always come back to. Start by noticing your feet. How do they feel today? If you have space, if you have the access, try moving the joints of your feet. Do they need to be warmed up, or are they feeling loose and lubricated? Are the joints of your feet falling somewhere in between? Notice the difference in the movement. No one is completely and perfectly symmetrical. And that's the beauty of living in a body. It keeps our stories and tells them back to us. Now move on to the joints of your ankles. Try circling them one at a time. Choose a pace that feels easy, that feels comfortable. Notice what's being communicated. Now let's move up to our knees. This is a sticking point for a lot of us. If you're feeling any aches or pains or the whispers of a chronic condition, know that you're not on that journey alone. Choose your adventure here. Let the movement come naturally. Maybe that's circling. Maybe that's flexing and contracting. Maybe it's just the tiniest intent to move. Whatever the movement is, that's good. Now move your intention up through your hips. If you're hearing any creaks, crackles, or pops, remember to say, thank you. Remember to say, I hear you. Swirl into easy movement here. And swirl that easy movement up to your spine. Maybe this involves moving in waves. Maybe you're starting big spirals and circling into smaller, or the reverse, circling yourself into larger and larger rotations. Maybe your spine is undulating, or your spine could be rocking from side to side. There is no right way but your way. Now move up to your neck and shoulders. I'm going to offer some guidance here. Our necks are tender and beloved. Be gentle. Don't let your neck tip too far in any direction without support. Do not flail the neck. Gentle rolling here. Gentle movement. You are embodying ease. Your shoulders move, and from there, allow the movement to ripple out both arms, starting at the shoulders, coming into the elbow, wrists, and joints of the fingers. This might feel weird, and if it does, I would suggest that you're excelling here. Now, slow down these movements. Bring your wiggling back into your core. Settle yourself into the face. We're nearing the end. Squeeze the muscles of your face, circle them, contract them, and then let them release. into your most rested version of your face. Take these last moments to breathe into your body. Take whatever size breath feels nourishing and correct here. And release expectation.